In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Notion. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and utilize automation through Notion, you're in the right place. Let's make this process as simple and efficient as possible, so you can get started right away with enhancing your productivity. First things first, head over to your Notion account. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to connect to Zapier. Notion is an incredibly versatile workspace that accommodates wikis, docs, and projects all in one place. So it's essential to have your chosen workspace open and ready. Next, if you're not already logged in, click on the Login button on the top right corner of the Notion homepage. Simply enter your credentials if prompted, and you'll find yourself on the Notion homepage. This is where you'll start setting up your connections. Once you're comfortably inside your Notion workspace, look for the Settings icon, or navigate directly to the Settings menu. Here is where you can tweak various options to tailor your Notion experience. It's an important step as it lays the groundwork for connecting external applications like Zapier. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on the Connections tab. This section allows you to link Notion with other tools and services, creating a seamless flow of information across platforms. If you haven't explored this before, it can be a game changer for managing tasks and data. Now, it's time to connect with Zapier. Find Zapier from the list of options under the Connections tab. Zapier is an incredible tool that acts as a bridge between different applications, facilitating automated actions without the need for any coding. It significantly reduces manual tasks by allowing you to create zaps, or automated workflows between Notion and countless other applications. Once you've clicked on Zapier, you'll be guided through the process to enable the integration. It may prompt you to log into your Zapier account at this stage. If you don't have an account, taking a moment to set one up will be worthwhile. After you're logged into Zapier, you'll be able to create zaps that automatically transmit data between Notion and other applications you might be using for your projects, such as Google Sheets, Trello, or Gmail. By connecting Notion with Zapier, you unlock endless possibilities for automation, allowing you to focus more on the work that truly matters while these automated processes handle the rest. And there you have it, a straightforward way to connect Zapier with Notion. With these steps, you can boost your productivity by automating repetitive tasks and ensuring that your projects and information flow harmoniously across platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy automating with Zapier and Notion.